getting so many bites. Catch it then. We're rolling. No pressure. Just all of our viewers are watching now. All 2 of our subscribers, me and you. It's a good cast.
It doesn't matter how big your cast is.
It just matters what you can do with your cast. If you were a fish, if you were a fish, get business cards, Brian.
If we need business cards.
Soon.
I reckon that's a fair shout, actually.
So we can start handing them out. And we can be like, yeah, 2 blokes won that.
I'm actually one of the blocks.
Yeah. Bloke 1 of 2. Bloke 2 of 2. It's like bloke 2 of 6. It's like 2, but it's 2 blokes won that.
Who said that? You did.
No, the channel's named that. We have more than 2 blokes.
Idiot. Of course it's more than 2 blocks.
You think we can run this multi-million-dollar operation with just 2 blokes? You're dreaming.
I've got the net, but I can't even reach the water with the net.
It's alright.
How'd you miss that one, brother?
I even turned the GoPro on. I'm devastated, Nick. What am I gonna do? I quit my job to pursue YouTube. Fishing as well. How am I supposed to be a pro fisherman if I can't catch any? You reckon I can catch that?
The bird or that guy's bait?
Both. I love that guy on TikTok that has like the little voiceover as he's doing shit.
I find him so funny. He's just
Right,
like,
so good.
I
You
sold
can't do that.
That's illegal.
Use a bait caster. Went to my normal honey hole. It says no fishing. I don't care.
I sold the anchor. She's looking kind of scruffy these days.
Yeah. My girl was putting me on, saying the fish were over that way. Sure enough, 5-pound bass. Just insane, like how quickly he can catch fish, though.
I know. Well, you don't know if he's been there all day.
Well, yeah, but he shows like his little Super Mario watch, and it's like 2 hours, and he's caught some fish at least.
Yeah.
And you're just like, oh, must be nice.
I love money. That's illegal. Fish.
You had to
That's a good spot.
Yeah. Luckily, I can't read. You should have seen the bites. I have it on camera this time. They were good bites too.
I bet.
It was like a real good strike. I was like, yeah, it's my time now. Nope. You won't be mad if I thunder come right in your face. Yeah. You sure? They don't call me the Toad Man for no reason. No. Had to throw out the jetty. That's illegal. I got that on the GoPro. I'm caught in a tree.
This is a good spot.
Nick.
Oh, God.
Pulled up to the honey hole. You gotta go vertical. Oh, no.
You might be right.
I'm in the tree.
Definitely not.
Big fish on, mate.
I'm getting mad bites.
Same.
No, I'm actually getting big bites.
I know. I'll be honest, does this look like a redhead?
Oh, yeah.
I think the fish will bite that. Once we hit 3 subscribers, we should do a subscriber special. So basically a mini yak.
Okay.
That's basically a mini kayak. A big kayak.
Holy crap. I made it plastic.
Should we get one?
I just want to float.
A little tinny. Then we can start spraying people.
Oh, it's my bite.
Did you?
No, absolutely.
Good to know.
I'm back to getting baby little bites.
Getting bites.
Yeah. Did you just go on there?
Yep.
I saw that.
Fish off.
Go. Oh my god, how did you miss that one? Oh my god, that was a big bite.
I wasn't paying attention.
Almost hooked itself, that guy.
Should have left it. Ah, well.
Hey, that's fishing though, right?
It's called fishing, not catching.
At the moment, all I'm doing is catching.
Catch anything?
Nah.
No.
That's what we were just saying.
Bro, that was the biggest fucking bite I had. Yeah.
Everyone goes, oh, you got the rig, you got everything.
Fucking hell.
Expensive way to frustrate yourself more and more.
I feel it, yeah.
Oh, Nick. It ate my redhead.
We are, but that's alright.
Yep. I am. Yep. Yep.
You're going yet? You're not going yet.
This guy's wife wants to escape. She needs to launch the app.
That's another.
We don't catch anything.
We need the locals. We got straight and then we get harassed by some old guy.
How to catch nothing but meet good people. And young kids.
I almost cut my line in half with that cast, mate.
Go talk to your wife about it.
I got no bait, that's why I'm not catching anything.
Yeah, that'll do it. Watch out.
Go. Wow, I think that's too far out, mate.
Fuck, nah, watch.
What do you reckon?
Like a husband that loves to cuck. Just watch.
You on?
Fuck off, no. Bro, I was on for a second.
I know, I saw it.
Why they call it fishing and not catching. Are you on? Oh. Copy that, Nick. That's why they call it fishing and not catching. So you married?
No.
You,
Too old or young?
you guys look a bit too young to be married.
No, we're not married. He won't ask me.
Soon to be.
I keep hinting. I keep showing him rings, but he won't ask me. Take me to fishing all the time.
I think he's gonna pop the question. He's like, I love catching. Fish and people. Boys ever been out on a boat before? I don't mean to alarm you, but I'm getting bites.
All they do is catch feelings for two boys fishing on the side of riverbanks.
You ever had gay anal before?
No? You want to try or just haven't?
You too young or too old? You want to come out on the polygraph?
Too young or married? What's the goal here? What's the situation between you two boys?
You bi-curious? Just try. Or just flat out gay?
Oh shit.
I was pulling a little brim here yesterday.
Oh
Yeah.
really?
Yeah. Some little kid was sitting here, like 2 years old, jabber on like a silly little 2-year-old. Talking like 20 centimetre brim.
It's always the way,
About
hey?
it, mate.
Yeah.
And everyone else up and down. I think they'd go out to the bedrooms or something to catch them.
Yeah, right.
These blokes on YouTube are a little more gentle. Rip their gums out, man.
Gentle, mate. You need to be gentle. We need to stick together right now. Are you on?
Yep.
Oh,
Recording? Yeah. Definitely. Nick, we need to Whoa.
He came off the hook that fast.
You got your phone? You got your phone?
Hold on. We have to get a photo of this guy. Hold on, I need a 0.5. Got him. Yeah, let him go.
Oh, buddy.
How good.
I actually caught a fish.
And that's why we have the net.
And that's why we have the GoPro. Fish as well. Not a toadfish.
Or a catfish.
Or a catfish. That's pretty impressive.
There's a little broom.
Massive bream. Too big. So we had to, they would have fed us for like 3 months. So I had to throw it back.
Yeah, some people use live bait, but we just catch it with that hook.
Yeah. Some people spray other people with jet skis.
Not us. Just talked about old pedophiles in the boat.
Nice big monitor that you got there, mate?
Some people need monitors.
That's right. 15 is sweet. Yeah, they're pretty good. I got Garmin for this, but I had an old Hummingbird.
just in one bit.
I quite like the Hummingbird. No, and I got it because it goes push it over. Where you going?
Don't know, never been here before.
Yeah,
Yep. Yep. It's actually decent.
Oh, didn't even need the net. Okay. Hold on, I need the 0.5. Got it.
No. He does not like this.
Oh, you're alright.
Can't get it. Oh, look at his little teeth.
Do you need a hand?
Yeah.
Put the fish down.
Oh, fuck, I thought I was not recording.
Ready?
In their case.
I'm 2 for 2.
This guy's
That's the best luck I've ever had.
Oh, yeah, that was a good fish.
That wasn't bad. The first one.
That's the biggest one we've caught.
I think so.
How's it going? Caught anything?
Send her a photo of me with the tiny one and nothing else. Yeah, cast out. Not yet.
Did it even bite?
Yeah, we get bites.
Or did it just fucking go?
What, the big one?
Yeah.
It was biting. It was biting for a bit there. Just let it.
And you just hooked it?
Yeah.
Did Wiggy gentle? You reefed it?
I think he might have been onto something.
Maybe.
You having a good ride?